Imagine yourself in this cheap 2020 Renegade Latitude. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are quick order package 2XB included, engine 2.4 Li 40 EVAP MAIR transmission, 9-speed 948TE automatic, connectivity, bridge solution, Omaha orange clear coat, black premium cloth bucket seats, global telematics box module, TBM, tires, 215/60R17 BSWS Touring, STD, transmission, 9-speed 948TE automatic, STD, wheels, 17 inches x 7.0 aluminum, STD, and engine, 2.4 Li 40 EVAP MAIR, STD. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment.